In a world that highly values self-expression and personalized art, the realm of 3D printing has opened up thrilling possibilities for bringing our individuality to life. Imagine having a one-of-a-kind sculpture that captures your essence and freezes it in time. With the power of 3D printing, this dream can become a reality. Creating a 3D printed sculpture of yourself is like channeling the skills of a master sculptor but with a modern twist. Instead of traditional materials like clay or stone, you'll use digital tools and a 3D printer to transform your imagination into a tangible masterpiece. This process allows you to explore the fusion of technology and creativity, resulting in a truly personalized work of art. In this captivating video, we'll guide you through the steps of creating your own 3D printed sculpture, from capturing the perfect reference image to preparing the digital model and ultimately bringing it to life through 3D printing. Get ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and artistic expression. To begin, let's take the first step, capturing the perfect reference image. In order to create a precise and intricate 3D model of yourself, it is imperative to obtain a photograph or a series of photographs of exceptional quality. Consider various elements such as lighting, facial expression, and pose. Select a backdrop that showcases your unique personality or a moment that holds significant personal significance. Whether it is an impromptu snapshot or a meticulously arranged portrait, ensure that it encapsulates the very essence of your being. Once you have your reference image, it's time to delve into the fascinating world of the digital realm. In order to bring your photograph to life as a tangible object, you'll need to convert it into an intricate and detailed 3D model that can be printed. This is where remarkable software tools, such as photogrammetry or 3D scanning, come into play. Photogrammetry, a captivating technique, involves capturing multiple photographs of an object or person from various angles and then employing specialized software to stitch them together into a stunningly realistic 3D model meticulously. If, for some reason, you don't have access to a 3D scanner or simply prefer a more hands-on approach, fear not. You can even embark on the creative journey of sculpting a clay or digital representation of yourself, which can then be scanned with precision and transformed into a digital masterpiece. The possibilities are truly endless when it comes to materializing your imagination and bringing your vision to life. When the digital model is created, the subsequent step involves refining and optimizing it for 3D printing. This process includes rectifying any imperfections, smoothing surfaces, and adjusting the scale if necessary. By utilizing 3D modeling software, one can manipulate the model to ensure its readiness for printing. It is crucial to pay meticulous attention to intricate details such as facial features, hair, and clothing, as they significantly contribute to the overall accuracy and realism of the final sculpture. Once you have your meticulously optimized 3D model, it's time for the grand finale, 3D printing. Select a suitable 3D printer capable of handling the desired level of detail and size for your sculpture. Choose the appropriate material, whether it be PLA, resin, or another option that aligns with your preferences and budget. Fine-tune the printer settings, including layer height and print speed, to achieve the desired level of quality. Finally, transmit the file to the printer and witness the enchantment unfold as each layer contributes to the physical manifestation of your sculpture. When the 3D printing process is complete, it's time to carefully remove any supporting structures or rafts carefully, ensuring a clean and smooth finish. The next step in the post-processing phase involves meticulous sanding to eliminate any rough surfaces, allowing for a refined and polished appearance. You can then choose to add intricate details, such as paint or other finishes, to customize your sculpture further and make it truly unique. Lastly, applying a protective coating ensures long-lasting durability and safeguards your artwork against environmental factors. This comprehensive post-processing stage not only enhances the visual appeal of your creation but also gives you the freedom to explore various color schemes and artistic interpretations, enabling you to unleash your creativity and bring your vision to life. Finally, exhibit your 3D printed self-sculpture with pride in a prominent location where all can admire it. Whether it graces a shelf, adorns a mantelpiece, or serves as a captivating centerpiece for a special occasion, it is a true reflection of your individuality. It stands as a remarkable testament to the boundless power of self-expression through technology. Types of 3D printed sculptures. Many different kinds of sculptures, including traditional sculptures, modern/contemporary sculptures, abstract sculptures, and corporate and public art sculptures, can be created through 3D printing. Replicas of ancient sculptures can also be made with 3D printing. Statues and art pieces for decorating the interiors of residential and commercial spaces are also not beyond the scope of 3D printing. Here are some important sculptures that you can easily create with the use of the 3D printer. 1. Bronze 3D sculptures. The advent of 3D printing has brought a revolution to the art of crafting bronze sculptures. It has opened up new possibilities, enabling the creation of both grand and petite masterpieces, all with the same level of precision and excellence as achieved through traditional sculpting techniques. Although larger artworks may demand more time in the process, the result is truly extraordinary, leaving no room for disappointment. 2. Aluminum 3D sculptures. While bronze is commonly used for sculpting, aluminum stands out as a valuable medium for creating magnificent sculptures. With the advancements in 3D printing, aluminum sculptures can now showcase intricate designs and scale to any desired size. This medium is often favored in the creation of modern art, as its natural gray hue and durability perfectly complement such artistic expressions. 3. Gold and silver 3D sculptures. With the advent of advanced 3D printers, the realm of possibilities expands beyond imagination. These cutting-edge machines can seamlessly combine various materials, paving the way for the creation of exquisite sculptures crafted from gold and silver. Gone are the limitations of size, as smaller statues fashioned purely from these precious metals, as well as larger works blending different materials, are now within the realm of possibility through the remarkable technology of 3D printing. 3D printing is not limited to sculptures. It can also be used to create unique art pieces for home and office decoration. Molds are also being created through 3D printing. The possibilities that 3D printing has provided us with have tremendously increased our ability to create unusual artwork with novel designs and shapes. So here's how you can make 3D printed sculptures in a nutshell. While the process may seem simple, there are many intricate components that work together to produce high-quality, personalized sculptures. Hope you have found this video to be informative and interesting. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such content. So, the next time you feel like unleashing your inner artist, don't hesitate to explore the endless possibilities of 3D printing and create something truly extraordinary.